Hi there, my name is Leroy from Lifetime Ponds. I just quickly want to promote this product by AB Builders Taiga 750ml expander foam. I just want to speak about a couple of topics about how to use it and what's best solution to going about it. What we do here, we place our rocks, we get it nice, we've got big gaps between the rocks. What we're going to do now, we'll fill the rocks with a bit of stones just to help obviously use up the gap. And then what we'll do, we'll set our foam. Make sure you shake your gun enough, give it 5 or 10 minutes, good shaking. If you spray your gun and it comes out more liquidy, you need to shake it more. If you stop using your gun, leave your can on the gun, close your nozzle, and your gun will stay fine. You can keep it like that for a couple of weeks. As long as you close the nozzle, blocks the front, and stops air from getting inside, your gun will stay clean and good. This product is from AB Builders. We have tried many companies and different products, expander foam. Most are too small and don't do the volume. Like I said, this is 750ml. It goes a really long way. What you need to do is you try and keep your voids and your gaps as small as possible. If you've got big gaps and voids, fill it with a couple of rocks, because the rocks build up the gap and the expander foam will expand between it all and hold it together. So let me show you a couple of tricks and tips. Obviously you open your gun, you get what's required for you to use. If your gaps are bigger, you open the nozzle more. So that's pretty good. What we'll do here, we'll go between all of it. We try and foam everything up. Remember, it does expand. And whatever goes over and above afterwards, you can take it out afterwards. So I open up my gun, it fills up the gun, the whole quiver. If you've got big gaps underneath, pump it for more, and then let it foam up and fill those gaps properly. Whatever comes up and above afterwards, you can pull it off. We'll show you a small video now. These we're leaving like that for plants and flowers. It's very easy, very simple to use. When this expands and it folds up more, you can just pull it off when it gets dry, and it will be good. And then we're going to pour stones in the top of that to hide it. Remember, the expanding foam is to bond the rocks together and make it one unit. Here we go, here's a typical example of exactly what we'll do. We've got all of this. The expander foam is pretty soft. You just need to pull it and tear it off like that, whatever is exposed and visible. Pull it off and it comes right off. It comes right off the rock. Don't attempt to do this until it's dry. All of these voids, all these gaps, we're going to fill up with stone, like we've done over there a little bit as a demonstration.